Whoever made this beat, yo, you are a sick ass engineer. I haven't heard. I don't know. I've gone past 5 seconds, bro. But damn, that beat go hard. I already know this is gonna be a hit, bro. Come on, you better fuck it up intense, cause the beat hard. Come on. I want up. Big up yourself. Come on. Who made this beat?
Santana walk on a day with Jai Bye. Be a life man and they a gold pie pie. What's man a choke like so them do skydive.
What the fuck up?
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm gonna shut that select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move around.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back with another hit and a smash another bang. People, I'm from the sea, from the title. What we are dealing with today. Yeah, today I'm back with none other than Mr. Yang Yang Boss. Mr. Yang. Yeah, man. Yeah, today I'm here with another hit from none other than the Yang Yang Boss. I'm talking about none other than I Water. You see me? No, sorry, I apologize. Today I'm here with the Yang Yang Boss. None other than Intence. You see me? Yeah, man, today I'm here with another dope track from Intence entitled Not Talk Too Long. Yeah, no, I'm sorry, entitled Not Talk Long. Yeah, man, new track from Intence entitled Not Talk Long. We're gonna check it out and see what's going on, if it's a hit, a smash, or a banger. I don't know. Intence has been dropping some hits, I'm not gonna lie. Intence has been dropping some hits, has been dropping some banger. He has a very unique style, flow, and just sound. And I actually like Intence style. I like his music, but he dropped this one, Not Talk Long, I believe 5 days ago. I haven't heard it as yet, hasn't seen the videos yet, but Intence, yeah man, like him tune them, like him flow and things, so it should be a banger, cause he might drop some tune you not like. So I don't think he's dropped a song I haven't liked so far. Yeah, I don't think he dropped a song I haven't liked so far, so Intence drop some mad, some tune, man, some hits, so I check out the one and Not Talk Too Long and see if it's a hit or if it's a hit or a miss, you know what I mean? So if you're new to the channel, guys, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. When returning viewers and subscribers, I really love you guys and I appreciate the love and support. You guys are the best. We're going strong over here. Don't know, it's Vlogtober. Vlogmas is coming up. My birthday is coming up. And all I'm asking for, guys, is to get me to 2K subs, please. I'm asking. So go ahead, smash up that like button, smash that sub button, comment, let me know what y'all think, what y'all want to see in the future. Definitely check me out over on Instagram, check me over on IG, and let me know, you know, this what's up. So, but yeah, today we got a song from Intence and Not Talk Long. We'll check it out, see what's going on, see if it's a hit or a miss. So without further ado, let's get in a track. Yeah man, Yang Yang Boss, Intence, Not Talk Long. Not Talk Long. Let's get it. How would this? I couldn't try with this blood clot. How did I beat a dog? I couldn't try with this dog cat. Yo, the beat a body in a dog. I'm not lying, I couldn't try. Bumbo clown mad in my G. Forever Media House, who's that? I don't know who's that, man. But who this is the beat? Yeah, who made this beat, bro? I've heard this song, but who made the Bumbo Club beat? Yo, me love y'all beat like them, man, the dog. Who made this beat, bro? Whoever made this beat, yo, you are a sick ass engineer. I haven't heard. I don't know. I've gone past 5 seconds, bro. But damn, that beat go hard. I already know this is gonna be a hit, bro. Come on, you better fuck it up intense, cause the beat hard. Come on. I want up. Big up yourself. Come on. Who made this beat?
Santana walk on a day with Jai Bye. Be a life man and they a gold pie pie. What's man a choke like so them do skydive.
Hold the fuck on, dog. Hold on. Hold on, man. Hold the fuck on. Hold the fuck on, my G. Hold on, let's get it. Beat that what the fuck. I think I find them in the dark. Hear me,
Santana walk wanna deal with dry by. Be a rifle man, and then I go pie pie. Once the man a choke like, so them do skydive. Sanko.
Oh, fuck, lad! When him... Hold the fuck on, bro. I've gotten to song. 17 seconds. What do you say, yo? Yeah, I say, and sometimes when I say on every day walk, when I say no, sometimes I walk and every drive by, be a man every nigga with pie. One nigga I dive like them at sky. What the bomb clock? Brother, we gotta listen to this shit, bro. We gotta listen to this shit. This shit hard. Come on, Intence, I find it. Come on. Let's get it. Bomb clock. I love finding hard music. I love it. I love music. Come on.
Santana walk wanna deal with dry by. Be a rifle man, and then I go pie. Once the man a choke like, so them do skydive. Sanko.
Buck like say sometimes we walk on every day we drive. Yeah, money, they have a man with pie. Watch man at chuck and that skate like the boss like that. Buck lad. Yeah, man, I find it, brother. I hit, man. Me not have to go past the 17, 18 seconds. That's the longest I'm making a truck so far. And me I go pull it up again. Una go vex. You see me, una go vex for the one cause yo, when bad tune play on a buckle and pull it. Hey, come in. Yeah, man. Let's run it back. Come here. Now pull it up no more. Promise. Come here.
Santana walk wanna deal with dry by. Be a rifle man, and then I go pie. Once the man a choke like, so them do skydive. Sanko. Madam deal with me, and I talk long. Tell them you're the pie, and then I carbon. Headshot, face black.
Buck tell me murder we deal with no talk long. Run up in the carbon. Buckler lyrics, dog. Lyrics on blood clot, bad man.
Planking if it's sound and depth. Man dying from starting from my last one. Yeah, 15 of a clip load for them. No sin a boy a road off for that. The chrome come out your black rain fall out. Smart the ends when I'm ball, but we're holding at them. Mother roll out your bed. Man can't forget no half dead, no half bury. You can't go free.
Buckler, man, no half get no half dead, no half bury.
Remember say you start already, yeah. Chop off your body that you ain't no left no evidence. Me nah them grime, me grandmas them nah inna them. I run inna them pistols, know say everything I did. So cold, no matter coulda bad, you coulda beg. You still a get the grave, I'm a inna head. Broke bone and bust up every ligament. Anyway, them there we go mash them up and if I fire, we go rent one car.
Buckler. Anyway, them go we mash them up and if I fire, we go rent one car. Yeah, man, and boy, I'll get it. No, nobody now save them. Pumbo clock tune. Bad, my youth. Hey, come here.
They now kill nobody, now the links don't want to squad yet. Still on me, they want war. I'm deal with me, and I talk long. Tell them you're the buyer, and I carbon. Headshot, face planking if it's sound and
Pumbo clock. Yo, song bad, man. We know one thing in the comment section, people. Yo, tune bad man, I know thing in the comment section. People want to know who no thoughts. That is my thoughts. Don't be biased, don't follow me. I want to know no honestly thing. You see me I say that on the point, want honest interaction and don't come bias and don't follow me, you know. I don't know followers for me thing. I don't know followers over here. I want people that own mind and own thoughts. You see me over here. You see me? Yeah, man, I know think about the song. Don't be biased because just me know think about the song, brother. You see me? Yeah, man, go hard pan it, brother. I know, I love find bad music in that. Yeah, man, I love music. I'm just love find bad artists. They come with that. Yeah, man, I love this blood clot people. Yo, I hope you enjoy the video. I don't think you know, go ahead, subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell, comment and share and like. You see me? Please like, do a lot, people. Help get my videos out here so I can grow, so I can even make more videos. So definitely, if you want to show thanks and love to me, really hit that like button. You feel me? It's more than, you feel me? If you really wanna like show love, hit that like button. I know it's not a comment where you can see your name next to, but that is the way to show the most appreciation. And I really appreciate you, all of y'all. Feel me? Can't wait to start doing the giveaways, guys. But let's jump right back in the track. This is Intence, no talk long. Yo, show the artist the world.
Man, started from my last one. Yeah, 15 of a clip load for them. No sin a boy a road off for that. The chrome come out, yeah. Black rain fall out, smart the ends when I'm ball, but we're holding at them. Mother roll out your bed. Never by the blood clot. Walk can't fight with motor. Shot the pebble fully up and fast. In a head,
He's the brother. He's the Intence if you watch his dog. Yeah, man, brother. Yeah, man, keep up your good work. You see me? Yeah, man, you have to go far, dog. Don't make them stop your shine, dog. Don't make them stop your shine, my G. Let's get it.
I barely that's off my gun clad, and yeah, me done that. Girl, done night in a day, yeah. Under the chaos spare, and this not a chip China finger play. Who's the chicken till the night around, yeah. Anyway, them there walk, I mash them up, and if I fire, we go rent one car. Them now kill nobody, now the links, they want the squad, yet still on me, they want war. I'm deal with me, I'm down and attack long. Tell them
Intence, keep it up, dog. Your video them bad, your beat choice them bad, your lyrics them bad, your style bad. Just keep it up, keep going. And you're there, consistency, my G. Your consistency, you see me? And just, yeah, man, just flow the place, dog. Yeah, go far, man.
Man dying for them starting from my last one. Yeah, 15 of a clip load for them. No sin a boy I rode off for that. The chrome come out, yeah, black cream fall out, smarty ends when I'm bad, boy, holding at them, mad roll out your bed.
Yeah, man. Intence. Yeah, man.
As president?
Yeah, man. That's what I'm talking about. You feel me? That's what I'm talking about in music, bro. Like, yeah, man, the artists are doing thing. I drop their music, I go hard, man. I love to see it, man. Yeah, man. Intence, keep it up, keep the consistency going. You find the lyrics, you find the beat, you have the style. Just keep it up, you go far in that thing, but don't let nobody stop you, man. Yeah, man, you're young, you're far to go, you just start and do well. You see me? Jam, man. Yeah, man, people, I know anything in the comment section. Salute the man to blood. So know in the comment section, definitely go show the artist some love and support if you like it. You see me? Once again, it's your boy Jambisco. I was here when I hit and I'm smashing it up. Banger, people. Yo, hey, hey, I love music. Hope y'all do too, man. So, until next time, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and family and loved ones. Until next time, I love you guys, and I'm out.